August 9, 2024, a young doctor at Arjikar Medical College was brutally raped and murdered. Her body, desecrated and left in a similar hall, is a stark reminder of the horrors women face. The accused, Sanjay Roy, a civic volunteer. But why was the crime scene dismissed as suicide? Why did the authorities delay acknowledging this heinous act? This isn't just an isolated incident. Mamata Banerjee, known for her vocal stance, remains silent. The same leader who previously dismissed brutalities as fabricated. Where is her outrage now? Is this the leadership we deserve? In a bizarre twist, Mamata Banerjee protests against her own administration's handling of the case. Is this genuine concern or political theatre? The people demand answers. This isn't just West Bengal's shame. Across India, similar horrors persist. A minor gang raped in Delhi, a Dalit woman assaulted in Rajasthan, and a girl burnt alive in Uttar Pradesh. The silence from those in power is deafening. The Indian Medical Association protested for 24 hours demanding justice for their colleague. But will their voices pierce through the indifference? Society's patience is thin. Protests erupt across West Bengal and beyond, demanding safety and action. Is this the India we want, where women's lives are political pawns? The silence from those in power isn't just negligence, it's complicity. Are they more concerned with their political careers than the lives of India's daughters? The people of West Bengal and India demand answers, accountability, and action. Every moment of silence is another moment of terror for our women. In the land where we worship Ma Durga, how can we allow the women to suffer? How can we celebrate the goddess when the daughters of this land live in fear? The time for action is now. This is not just a fight for justice, it's a battle for the soul of our nation. A nation that claims to revere its women cannot remain silent when they are brutalized. We worship the goddesses for their strength, but our real strength lies in standing up for our daughters, sisters, and mothers. If we fail them now, we fail our very identity as a just and moral society. The time for silence is over. We must demand justice, not as a plea, but as a road that will not be ignored. For every daughter who has suffered, let our voices be the shield that never falters. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.